In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add updated Jira issue details to Excel sheet and then mail the Excel file via Microsoft 365. So let's say you run a business and you use Jira software for project management purpose. Now you want every time the issue is updated in Jira software, the details should be added as a row in Excel sheet, and this updated Excel sheet should be mailed via Microsoft 365. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add Jira issue updates in Excel sheet and then send the file via Microsoft 365, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Jira to Microsoft 365. It will show you two windows here, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when an order is placed, and action can be send a confirmation message to the customer. In our case, a trigger can be when there is an update in the issue in Jira, the action will be send the mail with the file updated. So let us begin and select Jira software triggers as our first trigger application, For the trigger event, we will select configure webhooks. Now so this has generated a webhook URL like this. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects two applications. So now we will copy this, follow these instructions and go to Jira account where we have to paste this link. So here it says log into your account. Okay, we are already logged in. And follow this path, settings, Jira settings and system. Alright, here this is my Jira service account. In the top right corner, there's settings. Just click there. Then in the Jira settings, you will see system as it's said here. I'll show you as it's said here, Jira settings and system. Then on the left hand side, we'll go to advanced and webhooks, then create a webhook and name it. So now again, let me take you back to Jira. On the left hand side, if you scroll down and down, you will see advanced option. In the advanced, you will see this subcategory webhooks. Just click there. And now just click on create a webhook. Okay. So now what we will do is first we are going to paste the link, this link. We are going to copy this and we are going to paste the URL here. Name it. I will just write trial. You can name it. Make sure the status is enabled like it is written here in the instructions. The status has to be enabled. Okay, description I'm going to leave it. From these categories, you can select what you want. The trigger event. So I want whenever the issue in my Jira account is updated, then a mail should be sent with the updated file. So I'm going to select issue as updated. If you want more, you can add more. Click on the boxes. For now, I would just want this. I will just now select on create and you will see it's done. Webhook trial has been successfully created. So now let us come back to Pabbly and you will see it is waiting for a webhook response. So now let us quickly go to our Jira and do a test submission to make sure Jira and Pabbly are connected. So now let us go to our Jira. You can see the dashboard here. I have few issues here. So demo 39, can you see this? IT help in the summary. And the status is waiting for support. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on this and just for test purpose we are going to add an update here or just update it. So on the left hand side you will see waiting for support. From waiting for support I just want to write it, make it in progress. Okay. So here I'm going to assign it to Pabbly, and I'm just going to write, make it fast. So I've assigned, and all right, now I will just select in progress. Okay, so the issue has been updated. It's from now, it was earlier in waiting for support, and now it's in progress. So now let us go to Pabbly and see if it has captured the response. And yes, you can see here, if we will scroll down, you will see the issue key is demo 39. The issue type name was IT help. And the other details are here. If you will scroll down, we will see. Here you can see the status is in progress. That means we have successfully connected Jira software with Pabbly Connect. Now on to our action step. So now we will select Microsoft. So now we will select add row to worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So what we want, every time an issue is updated in Jira, the details should be added in Microsoft Excel. So let us connect. Add new connection. Okay. I'll connect to my account. Since I was already logged into my account, I will not have to give my password details and all. Just click on yes to give the permission. And you will see authorization successful. Okay. So now you will see it has detected my workbooks, the sheets that I had created in my Excel account. These were the sheets. So I'm going to work on Jira test. So I'll select this. It's processing. So now you will see it has brought up all these fields here. Column A, that is issue key. B, request type name, current field status, date of change. I'll take you to my Jira sheet, Excel sheet. You can see it's Jira test. So I want these details: issue key, request type name, current field status, and date of change. All right. So now let us go back to Pabbly Connect and map it. For that, we will go to here, Jira software. Well, before we map in these details, you must be thinking, where exactly are we getting this information from? So let me take you to step 1, where I connected Jira software with Pabbly and made a test update. So Pabbly captured all this response here, and it has brought the same response here in this step. So we are going to map it from here. So like you can see, in the first we want issue key name. So if you'll scroll down, you will see the issue key name like demo 39. Okay. Then we will need request type name. So again, we are going to map it from here. So let us search using request, and you will see request type name, IT help. Okay, I'll show you here. It was IT help. If you scroll down, then it needs current field status. What is the status? So the status was, now it was in progress. The status is in progress. I'll show you here. It is updated the details here. Status name is in progress here. Okay. Now it needs date of change. So date would be the date when it was updated. So let us again try to map it from here. So now you will see issue fields updated. The date and time is here. That was. However, we just want the date and not the time. So what we will do is, we will just add a step in between and select text formatter. For the action event, we will select split text, connect. Text to split would be again the date here like I showed you. So what we want is, we just want the date and not the timings. So what we will do is, we will separate it from T. So therefore we will use T as the separator. And since we want only first half, so we will going to select first as the segment index. In case you want time as well, you can select accordingly. Let me just save and send test request. And you will see it has separated the date from time, and we just got the first half as we wanted, that is 1st September 2022. So now again coming back to Microsoft Excel, we will reconnect. Why? Because we added a step in between, add new connection. I'll select my account. Yes. I'll give the permission. And it says authorization successful. Okay, it's processing. And now what we will do is we will just select the worksheet that we were working in. You can see it here, Jira test. Let me just refresh this once. Okay, it's processed. After a quick refresh, you can see we have got these fields that we had in our Jira. Okay, so now let us map it again. Let us do this quickly. The issue key would be, if you'll scroll down, you'll see issue key demo 39. The request type name, again, it would be IT help. Current field status would be like I showed you there in the previous step, in progress. And then date of change we finally have. So we are going to use this date from text formatter by Pabbly. Okay, now let us just save and send test request. Alright, you will see the response has been received. These are the details, demo 39, then the IT help, the issue that was, then the status change in progress, then the date of the change, the row range in the Excel sheet. Now let us go to our Jira sheet, Excel sheet, that it was Jira test, and see if the update has been made, if the row has been added there. Alright, let me just refresh. And you will see these are the details here. Demo 39, that was the issue key. Then the request type name is here IT help. Current field status is in progress, and the date of change is September 1, 2022. Okay, so now what we will do is we will add the final step. Select Microsoft Office 365 to send the mail. We have to, now what we have to do is we have to send this Excel sheet to, let's say, to our developer. So here we have selected this. Action event would be send email, connect, add new connection, connect with Microsoft Office. Okay, since I'm already logged in, I will just select my account from here. Yes, I will not have to give my credentials. And it says authorization success. All right, it's connected, and now we will write these details. So for the subject, I'm just going to write Jira updated sheet. All right, for the content type, you can choose. I'm going to go with plain text. Body content would be just hi. Please find the attachment. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come back to my sheet, copy the link here, come back to Pabbly, and in the body content, I'm just going to paste it. All right. Now I'm going to give the recipient's email address. Now let us just click on save and send test request. And you will see the response has been received. Now let us go to our mailbox, into this inbox, and see if such mail was sent. And you will see in the update section, there's a mail from Pabbly Connect. And you will see the subject Jira updated sheet. Here is the attachment. Here is the link. If you click on it, and you will see we have successfully managed to send this Excel sheet. So this means we have successfully connected our Microsoft Office 365 with Jira software using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.